Hi friends, welcome to my channel Perfectly Imperfect by Swati Pala. Today I'm going for a party. I had tried a new hairstyle. I would like to show you all. Things required for this hairstyle: few bobby pins, one donut size bun, one paddle brush, one elastic hairband. First step is to brush your hair. Make a high ponytail with elastic hairband. Use this bun and insert the ponytail into this bun. Turn around the hair. Tuck the hair in this way beneath the bun. After that, then use few bobby pins. If you prefer some hair accessory, you can style it this way.